Yeah, hi everyone, welcome back to our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. So today we are going to be discuss regarding the job openings and automation testing. So let us go through the first job. This is the first job opening here. So role would be automation tester with Selenium with Python and location would be Pune location and experience they are expecting from the candidate is 3 to 9 years of experience. This is the company description here. These are all the required skills like 3 to 9 years of experience in automation tester, Selenium with Python, deep understanding of automation testing, experience with Selenium with Python, strong problem solving skills, and proactive approach of learning. So these are the major required skills. If you have these skills and if you are interested for this job opening, so you can share your resume through this particular link. You can share there, or else you can follow him. So, or else you can follow Nikita Hegge. So you can follow her and you can send your resume to that particular person. So coming to the next job opening is like Infosys is hiring automation testing experts with Selenium, and a candidate should have minimum 3 to 8 years of experience. So this is the job responsibilities like develop and execute automation test scripts using Selenium WebDriver. I can collaborate with development teams to ensure product quality and performance, contribute to agile projects with a focus on continuous testing and CI/CD pipelines. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, you can apply to the job by clicking this link, or else you can send your resume to Navin SH. You can follow him and you can send your resumes to that particular person. So let us go to the next job opening here. Here we go. So coming to the next job opening, like automation test lead would be a job role, and with Selenium Java, and location would be Bangalore, Karnataka, and India. Experience they are expecting from the candidate is 5 to 8 years of experience they are expecting from the candidate. So these are the major responsibilities like develop and maintain high quality automation test scripts using Java, Selenium, and automation. Design, build, and maintain the efficiency and reusable and reliable code. So these are the major responsibilities they are looking for, and these are the required skills: 5 to 8 years of experience in automation test engineer with Selenium, and deep understanding of Java, Selenium, and Web API. So these are the major skills, and if you are interested for the job opening and if you have these skills, so you can apply to the job by you can share your resume, or else you can follow this Akub Ali. You can follow him and you can send your resume to that particular person. Let us go to the next job opening here. So this is the next job opening like automation test engineer will be the role, would be the role, and location is Bangalore location, and employment type is full time. These are the key responsibilities like develop and maintain automation test scripts using Python for efficient and reliable test automation. Work with Python test framework to write, execute, and maintain test cases for various software products. So execute manual testing as required, contributing to all stages of software testing lifecycle like STLC. So these are all the major skills they are expecting from the candidates. Key responsibilities we can say here. So these are all the requirements like strong experience with Python for automation testing, automation scripting, hands-on experience with Python test framework for test automation. So proven experience in manual testing across various stages of the SDLC, working knowledge of cloud platforms like Google Cloud Platform, GCP, like Azure, Microsoft Azure. So these are all the main requirements they are expecting from the candidate. So if you have these requirements, like if you have these skills, so you can follow this particular person like Hemant, and you can send your resume to that particular person directly. So coming to the next job opening is like a role would be a quality assurance test engineer, and experience the candidate should have 4 years of experience, and you can like looking for the candidate, they are looking for the candidate who is having 4 plus years of experience to execute the set of test case assigned like to that particular person. So these are the major skills they are expecting from the candidate here. If you have these skills, you can share your resume to this particular mail ID, or else you can. This is the particular link, LinkedIn link they have provided here. So you can share your resume to that particular link. So coming to the next job opening here, role would be automation testing, payments domain. Domain would be payments domain, and location is Pune location. And experience they are expecting from the candidates 4 to 6 years of experience. The candidate should perform automation testing on payment systems, ensuring the quality and efficiency of payments transactions. So these are the major skills they are expecting from the candidate. So they are also expecting hands-on experience in testing tools and frameworks for automation, ability to understand complex payment process and work towards the testing automation for the same. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for this job opening, you can follow this particular person like Radhika, IT recruiter. So you can follow her and you can send your resumes to Radhika. So coming to manual testing jobs, so Infosys is the company name, and role would be a software tester and manual tester. Location is permanent remote. They are offering, and started would be like a notice period they are giving is 15 days or an immediate joiner. So salary the candidate can expect 40% hike from the current CTC. So this is the job description: 0 to 4 years of experience as a manual tester. So freshers can also be applicable for this job opening. So if you are a fresher, you can apply for this job opening. So strong understanding of software testing methodologies and best practices they are expecting from the candidate, and good analytical and problem solving skills. Knowledge of agile methodologies is a plus, and excellent communication skills and attention to detail. So these are the main skills they are expecting from the candidate. If you are interested for these job openings, you can send your resume to this particular mail ID they have provided here, or else you can follow Rutik Janakar. So coming to the next job opening is like manual QA testers. So role would be a manual QA testing. The candidate should have like ensuring the quality of software products, and will be responsible for executing testing cases, identifying, documenting and tracking bugs, and collaborating with development teams, deliver high quality of software. So they are expecting 5 years of experience in manual software testing and strong understanding of software testing methodologies like agile, and experience in creating test cases, test plans, and bug reports familiarly with bug tracking tools, examples like Jira. So these are all the main skills they are expecting from the candidate. If you have these skills and if you are interested for this job opening, so you can send your resumes. So you can send your resumes to this mail ID, or else you can follow him, Nazmat Sakib. So you can follow him and you can send your resume to that particular person. So that's all for today's topic. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. Thank you.